We are now live, and hopefully the audio is now working. It is currently 13 minutes past 8 p.m. UK time, Sunday, the 28th of January 2024. Welcome to another amazing episode of Technically Speaking, which is a free weekly webinar covering anything and everything charts, trading, data, etc. Let me just make sure everything's streaming. Covering anything and everything. Okay, everything's working. Apologies for the delay. The Matrix attacked us again. Ade, real trade. Didn't the Matrix attack on Friday? It was attacking hard. I was trying to give
Yeah, it was fun.
I was trying to give these guys a one-on-one educational lesson on NFT on non-fungible tokens, but it didn't work. Hey, we got 5 people live on the YouTube. Let's go. Let's get it cracking. Let me just reclaim host. Oh, could you make me the host, please? Bit blonde. Hello?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Oh, okay, sure. I am now the co-host. Okay, that's amazing. Let me share screen. Let's get started. Okay, so just remind you guys at the start of every single episode, at Blockchain Sensei, we stream 3 times a week for free, and everybody is welcome. In fact, if you single-handedly came to our 3 free webinars a week, we think you do very, very well this financial year and the next. If you obviously then did your research and then did your own due diligence, which we're going to go into. So we have a free webinar called The Game every single Monday, 8 p.m. till 9:30 UK time since 2020, approaching our 200th stream this year, covering all fundamentals and macro. Fridays is NFT Fridays, which we've been running since April 2022. Obviously, the Matrix attacks the previous episode, unfortunately. So, yeah. And then we've got Technically Speaking, which is with the BitBlonde, which is more focused on charts, trading data, etc. I'm also super proud to announce that within this quarter, Blockchain Sensei slash Shuriken Sounds will be starting to go hard on the Manchester scene. So we're going to be teaching at our first universities within the Northwest. We've done no lectures yet anywhere in Manchester University, so watch out for that. What else? What else is new? Oh, I'm supposed to give. There were so many technical problems. I'm gonna have to give the NFT on NFT Fridays. I'm gonna give somebody a free NFT, but I don't have time on Friday. Yeah, let's get into the disclaimer. Oh, to join the free webinars, click the link in the bio, which will link you here, and then you can join our free Telegram, our free WhatsApp, and join our free Zoom webinars. And that's where you can also subscribe to the dojo calls, which is daily calls with myself and Jay. So, disclaimer terms and conditions before getting into the market today. All content is for education, information, and entertainment purposes only, and it should not be considered as investment advice or recommendation to buy, sell, hold any assets, nor place any trades. Please always do your own what, guys? Yeah, our content is intended and it should only be used for informational use only. It's very important to do your own analysis before making any investments, which should be based on your own individual circumstances. You should always take independent professional advice from a professional advisor. BitBlonde, are you a professional financial advisor? Ade, Real Trade, any of you guys professional financial advisors? No. Alternatively, research and verify all and any information you may find in our show that you may wish to rely upon, whether you wish to make an investment decision or otherwise. All investments come with what, guys? Risk. So please always do your own what, guys? Yeah, neither myself, BitBlonde, Ade, and or Real Trade are financial advisors. We do not intend to be perceived or received as financial advisors. However, we're working in collaboration with several accredited financial advisors. If you're unable to mitigate your risk, let us know so we can contact you. Let us know and we'll refer you to an accredited financial advisor. All right, let's get into the juicy. We want to know what's going on in the charts. Over to BitBlonde, because ladies go first.
Okay, so let's have a look on it. I'm trying to check my screen. That's the one. That is the winner. So let's start from BTC. Pardon? On a Bitcoin charts, like I'm personally longing. Okay, I'm longing Bitcoin back since to be very, very, very precise, 38,500, somewhere around 38,574. Pardon. From this circle, so we had that. Also, the other side is crossing a little bit to the upside on a daily. Okay, so that might be a long trade, but the level to watch now, it's around 44. If we manage to go a little bit down, would be very, very interesting. But again, it's a probability, and if you did join this very, very, I hope you have your stop loss and protect yourself. But 200 EMA is looking a little bit to the upside, so I'm very optimistic about this trade. And I think around 44, 45, we could, move the stop loss a little bit further and, just manage to exit with profit, regardless of what is going to happen. A little bit of the same thing. It's very slow trade, guys, on a daily. But, I think it's worth it to have slow trades at this point because it's just better to wait and, look after your profits than the last week, I think. But it's looking very good to go to the upside. So if Ethereum comes back to 2,500, somewhere around, that will leave us with 15% at least of a pump. So that's what I'm personally looking forward now for Ethereum. Once we touch resistance, we have to be careful and move the stop loss a little bit and see if we are going to break even or if we just, but right now it's looking bullish on my perspective. The altcoins are a little bit, in a different scenario. Swap a little bit. So I'm personally longing unit swap to 7.0, somewhere around 7.0. And if we manage to see unit swap doing this nice correction, that would be 23% of profit, and we can always move our stop loss, protect our capital, and leave trades with profit. And not much on the Uniswap itself, is just on a trading perspective, but it take time. It could take time. So be patient. But once those altcoins start pumping, a little bit different because I just actually thought about this coin, Spell. spell USDT. I'm not sure if you guys traded this coin before, but it's looking like pretty flat, you know, for a long time. So we could see a pump here, you know, but it could take time. It could take weeks or something, guys. But it's very interesting because it's so flat from the all-time high, and you know the descending triangle is normally a bullish breakout. So this is
How
something
much?
that I'm
How much?
potentially. Uh,
Sorry, how much percent are we from all time highs on that coin spell?
okay, it's pretty down, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me get percentage. Wait, I can't see properly. Oh, let's assume that I'm just trying to get this space. Oh, not being able to. Okay, I think I have to reload. This coin is looking good, but you know, it could take a long time. If you're patient, that could be a great profit. So flat. Basically. So yeah, from the all-time high, we literally 40,000% down.
Whoa. Let me have a look at this
I
photo.
know. I know.
Wait, where?
This is
How did you
crazy.
find
Like
this?
I don't even know
How
about the
did you find
project
this?
yet.
There's obviously some trading
I
volume.
saw this going on Revolut.
Oh, you saw it on Revolut.
Yeah, yeah, I saw it
Wait,
on Revolut for some you know, at some point.
wait. Okay,
I
what we
was
need to
like,
do is
what is that? I have to, you know, go through it. Let's
we should
let's have
literally
a look
find a list of all the
on
cryptos on
the
Revolut.
article coin.
I'm on
Yeah,
CoinMarket right
and
now
there are
researching.
loads. Are you guys using Revolut?
No, I don't use Revolut.
Yeah, but on Revolut you can buy crypto. So they do have, you know, very random coins as well. And this coin specifically took my attention because I was like, that's really cheap. You know, Spell token. No, this is like on
Wait. Let me do some maths on this, right? I'll tell you how
Coinbase
much.
and things that like. Let's find out the project. Okay,
It's
okay.
66x from all time high.
Like I'm so bullish on this one. Yeah, it's really. I think so. Like,
66x
oh my
from all time
god,
high.
it's even hard to find it top. Okay. Um, all-time high was if we measure from where we are to the top, that's the result. Can you see?
Yeah, but technicals aside, I'm just literally looking at I'm looking at the website. The website's crazy. Look at the fundamentals. Go to CoinMarketCap and then go to the website. Look what it actually look at the website it takes you to. It takes you to abracadabra.money. Go to CoinMarketCap.
Yeah, apparently it's about magic, but I don't know much about it.
No. It's not. It's not about magic. It's not about
Well,
magic. They have a stable coin. They have a stable
called
coin.
Magic Internet. Wait.
Guys, is my connection lagging or is BitBlown's connection lagging?
It's mine. It's mine. Pardon.
Oh right.
I'm not finding the website. Oh yeah. Never mind. So yeah,
Look, they've got a spell token and they've apparently got some kind of stable coin called Magic Internet Money. So okay, right. So no, okay. I understand. I understand. So the company's called Abracadabra, right? And Abracadabra have three main coins. They've got the spell coin, yeah. No. One sec. Go to one sec. I'll tell you where's the place to go. Wait. Abracadabra. One sec. Let me give you the link. I'll give you the link. Check that. Check the link that I sent
Okay.
in the chat. So Abracadabra is the ecosystem. Spell is the go to the very top, the top. Like scroll up.
It's the protocol token, which is used for our introduction. That's the white paper, right?
Yeah, no. Don't go to
That one?
introduction. Go to tokenomics.
That's the top.
Yeah, just the top. Look. It's literally explained there. So spell is the protocol token which is used for incentivization. Okay. S spell obtained by staking spell. So if you stake spell, you get S spell, and these used for fee sharing and governance. And then they've got a stable coin as well.
Yeah.
So if this is legit, obviously we have to do our own research. Then
Yeah,
could do pretty well in the bull run.
I think so. Well, I don't recommend to anyone that can't afford to lose anything. All coins are really, really crazy. But if it's something great, it could be. It's literally like a 4,000x. That's crazy. It's so crazy. Like when I saw this coin, like immediately I was like, I have to buy
Wait.
some.
It's not 4,000x. It's 66x from all time high.
Yeah. Probably because you can't see properly on TradingView.
Yeah. But you can just do the math. So you just take the all time high, which is 3 cents divided by the current price. So basically 3 cents divided by or 3.4 cents divided by 0.0005, which is the current price, 66x. But that's still very good. But obviously you have to ask, look, when a coin crashes, when
Yeah, I mean,
Abracadabra,
this is very, very volatile. Yeah.
yeah, I mean there's if you go back to TradingView, you can see there's been quite a lot of trading volume. Like if you not a lot, but if you literally zoom into the bottom, zoom in, you can see it's not like it's not been traded. It's not flat. No, look, if like, really zoom in, really zoom in, like it's not completely flat. You could have made a lot of 60%,
Well,
70% gains. You really got to zoom in though. See, if you really zoom in, there's always price action
yeah,
somewhere.
like it's something going to, yeah, it
It's
seems
not nothing.
to be turning into the upside. Yeah. It seems to be, slowly turning up. But again, I don't know how long that's going to take. it's on a daily. So as long as if I'm happy about it, would be the best to hold a little bit and see what's going to happen if you can't afford to lose. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much my take for today. So,
All right. Thank you very much,
and
Biplon. Thank you very
unit
much.
swap.
Right. So let's wait. Can I share a new? No way.
Yeah, you can share it.
Wait, one sec. No, I can't. I can't. I can't share a. Can't share a new window. Can I share a new window? To share audio, share. Oh no no no! It has to be a. Has to be the same tab. Okay, cool. Let's go on trading view. Disclaimer: this is not my main trading view. The way StreamYard is set up, I unfortunately need to use the same email I use my StreamYard to stream with YouTube to then link to my non-main trading view, which is a shame because it has less notes, and it's not the it's not TradingView Pro. It's fine. Go here. If you guys saw how fiddly it is behind the streams, behind the scenes of streaming. Okay, so let's have a watch list. All right, well, where are we? Okay, so what you have to understand when reading charts is you have to understand when something is changing momentum. Remember, the longer the time frame is, the more accurate technical analysis is. Technical analysis is way more effective on the weekly time frame than on the 1 minute time frame, right? So SIXRE, this is the first chart that I like to read. I don't want to go too much into the fundamentals of the chart, but it's kind of, let's just say, it's kind of like a somewhat indicator for global real estate holdings and confidence in that market, which obviously then spills over to other markets. So what we have to understand is when there's this chart related to everything else. This pre-coronavirus, COVID crash, rise up, peaked here, peaked in December 2021. Remember the stock market peaked in November 2021. Okay, so usually this peaks about a month after, or historically speaking, the stock market. But as you can see, the fundamental is we can see here a change in the direction, right? So this is a bearish direction right here. Remember, this SIXRE bottomed out in October 2023. Stock market recent bottom was 23rd, was around, well, pretty much the damn same, 23rd of October 2023. 23rd of October 2023. When did Coinbase stock bottom out? At the same week, 30th of October 2023. When did Tesla bottom out? What was happening on the? You know what? Tesla does what it wants. Okay, Tesla did not. Okay, there we go. 30th of October. You got a spring. It is a damn. Oh my God, we are nearly at my Tesla buy price. Tesla's on discount. Oh my God, we saw it live. Yes, this is fantastic. Okay, but then more importantly, let's have a look at crypto. My watch lists. Watch this, watch this, watch this. I think I can't add any more assets. No, actually, we've got total. Ethereum, no. Take away this, take away this. Crypto minus Bitcoin, that's good enough. Okay, so as we can see, right. Oh my God, it's like the whales, they just love playing with you, right? So, on the 23rd of October 2023 was the recent bottom of crypto minus Bitcoin. On the 23rd of October 2023 was also approximately the bottom of the SIXRE. On the 23rd of October 2023 was the recent bottom of the stock market. All markets are tied together. Here's an unpopular narrative. The unpopular narrative is that the Bitcoin halving was premeditated and / created to tie in with US presidential elections, which then tie in with the whole stock market. And I don't want to go to quadruple witching because that's more Miss Harding's theme. But what is the date? Say it back to me, guys. What is the key date? And we've literally got this live here. What is the key date? Someone say it. 23rd of October 2023. That's the key date. 23rd of October 2023. So when the SIXRE starts turning around and the stock market's not peaked yet, but remember, everything's not tied exactly in terms of the exact timing, but approximate timing. Look, the S&P 500 is at all-time highs right now. Look at this. And we can even see there's a gap in the S&P 500 at 4845, which is 1% from the current price. Now, 1% sounds like nothing, but that's 1% of the US stock market, which is a lot of money. The VIX, which is basically the inverted S&P 500, right? VIX goes up, S&P goes down. Well, this looks like, in fact, let me clear all of this. Sometimes it can get a bit too messy with TA. Let me just clear all of this. Right, so I feel like we're hitting a support here on the VIX. So I can expect this to test this zone here. When was we last here? 16th of October, that makes sense. Then the 23rd of October, VIX went down, SIXRE went up, stock market went up, S&P 500 goes up, NASDAQ goes up, crypto goes up, everyone's happy. Okay, I am not bullish on crypto this quarter. I'm a bit bearish, which is why I'm in cash positions. Let me tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you the source. Because I'm going to give you solutions. I don't want to be like, crypto's falling. 1 second. I want to give you solutions. Give you the practical solution. So, I am not bullish on crypto between now and February, right? Like 28th.
Oh my God.
am bullish. Huh?
No, I just said, oh my God.
Yeah, I'll probably be bullish again in March. But I've scaled out into mainly stable coins. I'm like 70% stable coin heavy right now. Remember, I publicly said my Bitcoin average sell price was 38.9K. So, which is way too low, obviously. I scaled out a Bitcoin too early, which is fine. But I still believe that I can buy Bitcoin back for cheaper than 38.9K. Like, when Bitcoin hits, I think Bitcoin's going to hit 36K, 37K. When Bitcoin, if or when Bitcoin hits 37K, I'm going to start owning Bitcoin again. I've not owned Bitcoin for a long time. I've not owned Bitcoin since scaling out from around 35K. Obviously, I was wrong, right? Is what it is. At the end of the day, you can't always be right, but you can have a plan, right? So I scaled out of Bitcoin from 35K onwards, and then I had no Bitcoin by the time Bitcoin was 41K, I had no Bitcoin. But guess what? I spent loads of time being a Solana, being a decentralized exchange, Jupiter, Solana decentralized exchange degen, right? I had my dollars and I bridged them onto Jupiter. Sorry, my bad. I bridged them onto Solana blockchain into my Phantom wallet, and then I've been making crazy gains with meme coins. And then meme coins have been calming down a little bit, and then I've been focusing on futures, and I'm extremely bullish on NFTs. So what I expect is I expect money to come out of the crypto market as it's been doing, right? If Ethereum's going to go down lower, in my opinion, Bitcoin's going to go down lower, and then that money's going into NFTs, just like I've publicly shown with my little pudgies, the floor price has gone up because money's got to go somewhere, and then things have to cool off for a little bit. They have to cool off, and then I believe money's going to start coming into the market in like March. I could be wrong with regards to this, but I don't expect, like in February, I don't expect the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum to be higher than what they were at the start of this year. Like I don't expect a U-turn before March. So 1 second. Let me go to Ethereum. Right? Add here. ETH. Again, this is not my main trading view, so okay. When was that exact Ethereum high? Right, that high was the 12th of Jan. I could be wrong, but okay. I don't want to overly predict that Ethereum is not going to go to here in February, but I'm going to let you guys know that I'm playing the game as if it isn't. So if it does, that's good. But I want to play the game of probabilities, right? So why should Ethereum? Obviously, markets can like I could have never predicted gold. I could have never predicted we live in a world in January 2024 where gold's at an all-time high, Nasdaq is at an all-time high. The stock market continues to pump during the consolidation. But for me, I just think right now, like it's all too good to be true. I believe the markets need to cool off in February in order for the whales to accumulate at an Ethereum and Bitcoin not low but lower price in preparation for the hype of the Ethereum ETF, which, as we know, or we should have learned from the Bitcoin ETF, was basically the catalyst for Solana to pump. Because 1 second, let me start sharing my screen. StreamYard. Boom. All right, cool. The fact that I've paid attention to NFTs almost every day in January, money going into NFTs, previously speaking, has been an indicator of Ethereum price, aka crypto prices shorting. Like when you see crypto's in a little pump, goes down into NFTs, right? Because the whales have to wash money somewhere. And what you want to pay attention to if you want to go deep into crypto is that you want to pay attention to on-chain activity. When you see a crypto has a lot of trading pairs against Ethereum, that's when you know the whales/dolphins are swimming. For me, it doesn't make sense to be bullish on crypto in February. I'm not gonna buy into a technical indicator that it's the dip, because guess what? The dip keeps dipping. Now you could say the dip keeps dipping, so it's more opportunity, but that's a weak thing to say. Like at this stage in crypto, I want to be a sniper, so I don't just want to buy every little dip. No, I want to wait for a good dip, and when the market's dipping or when the market's a bit bearish, I want to switch into a bearish futures trader, because that means I'm holding my stable coins and I'm getting more cash, and then I actually want to spot buy the real dip. that's the game that I want to play right now. I mean, I guess it's easy. It's easier for me to say because I've already made crazy gains in November and December, so I'm less greedy. Um, but I wouldn't be deploying loads of money in the market right now. Like I can see the market bleeding more. That's my opinion. Unless you can really play like the super altcoin game, like you're on page like 17 on coin market cap. I just don't see like I'm not bullish on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Like I feel like this can draw down more. I don't see why I would buy Bitcoin right now, especially because my average sell price is 38.9K. So yeah, if I buy Bitcoin now, look, you see this candle here, this weekly candle here, right? Remember when the candle was here last time in May 2022, what happened? Huge drawdown, right? Here, what happened? We went all the way down to 28K. Here, what happened? We went all the way down to 28K. In a perfect world, right? I'm not going to be this bearish though, but I don't. I'm not saying Bitcoin's going to go to this price, but if Bitcoin ever gets to this price again, then that's when I will be very, very bullish on Bitcoin in terms of loading the boat. So let's just look here. Oh, second. Let's do a quick fib. Let's do a fib retracement, right? Yeah. Here. Okay. So the the wick touched the 3.8. Obviously, we expect. Ah, I think Bitcoin's gonna go to 32K, 33K. That's 0.5 on the weekly for retracement. This here, look, 1 week, 2 weeks. Look, let's count how many weeks from the impulse. First impulse, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 7 weeks, 8 weeks. 8 weeks of continuous bullish momentum. 2 months. When in the history of Bitcoin do we have 8 weeks of consistent bullish momentum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a bearish one. 1, 2, 3, 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 and a bearish one. 1, 2, and a bear. Look, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 8 weeks. Okay, even in the bull run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a bearish one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a huge bearish one. 1, 2, 3, and a fuck off bearish one. Right? Never in human history has this ever happened before. Never. Never. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Well, not never. I'm not going down to. I'm not going down to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a bearish one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a bearish one. 1, 2, 3. I'm not saying never, but it almost never happens. Even here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a bearish one, and a bearish one. Right, cool. So why would we like why does it make sense to be so bullish on Bitcoin when the real estate indicator has changed directions, that's flushing out money? S&P 500 is at a euphoric all-time high. Like, I'm not saying we can't push further. Of course we can push further. The market doesn't make sense. Like, we can go here. Like, let me tell you what can happen. We can go here, right? This can turn around. The dollar can get weaker. Remember, dollar gets stronger. Where's 23rd of October? Look, 23rd of October. 23rd of October, dollar was at a resistance, right? Tested the resistance here, and then dollar went down, and then the stock market and then assets went up, right? Of course, the dollar can go down, but why would it? We're literally in war right now, right? So I think like the dollar's going to go up, right? But it can go down, and then gold. Even gold has taken a bit of a pullback from all-time highs. So yes, crypto can go up. Yes, it can turn around in the short term because markets don't make sense. But I'm just going to follow what makes sense. So that's where I'm at in the market. Sorry to be the bad news, guys. I don't just want to be this bullish guy all the time. But I'm not bullish on crypto until Bitcoin hits at least like 35K, then maybe that's the support. But 41K Bitcoin, nah, I don't buy it. That's what I think. Yeah. Any questions?
Not really. Just waiting to see what's going to play out. But that's very interesting, Ninja. You know, I personally also buy and sell when I see opportunities. So why not?
But would you be scaling into crypto for the long term right now with these prices, or are you looking for a further drop? Like I'm not buying anything.
Well, you know, I'm here ready for a couple of years. Yeah, it's not the deep yet, but it's not the top either. So if you want to enter, like to go all in, maybe just wait for a better opportunity. But we could see a pump then a dump. Let's see what's going to happen. You know, we have both perspective, which is the trading side and the holding side. Okay, so like in the long term, I'm always bullish, but day trading wise, I would just do whatever brings me profit, and then I'll just move my stop loss. If we just go down, I will just exit with profit and then sell. Why not?
Do you ever not trade, or are you always trading? I feel like you're always trading.
I always trade, which I, sometimes it's nice to have a break, you know. But I really love trading, though. I basically trade all the time. But sometimes I observe a little bit for a couple of hours, like 8 hours, you know, because it doesn't work every day. You need to give time to the market as well, you know. You need to understand that. But it depends on your strategy. Like if you train in 1 minute charts, you definitely find opportunities every day.
Yeah. There's an option. Oh my God, I didn't even talk about airdrops. Everyone who used the Jupiter, okay, we'll end here. Everybody who used Jupiter Exchange is now eligible for airdrop. Me and Jay got loads of free money. Um, are you gonna be at the dojo call at 9:30 or not, Bitblood? Yeah. All right. Cool. So yeah. So there's been a huge airdrop. Yeah. Me and Jay have received. Like we're gonna show this on the dojo call. If anyone who's not subscribed to the dojo call, get subscribed or at least get a free trial and try it out. Um. Yeah. There's this coin that dropped. Yeah. And imagine every single user who's used Jupiter for the past month got 65. Well, they got 643,000 of this coin, and now it's worth $100. Yeah, and imagine that times 10 wallets. Yeah, this is why you need to get decentralized. Yeah. Okay.
I'm watching
Okay.
everything.
Okay. 100%.
Cut. You chose in a 5 minute.
Sorry.
You did so, crypto's long. Does she chose on a 5 minute time frame? Does she sell for 5 minutes? That's what I was gonna find out. No.
Bro, we cannot hear you, man.
Oh, does what's it? Does Emily trade on the 5 minute time frame?
Oh, it really depends, you know, like it depends on my time as well. If I'm very busy with other things, because I also run an agency and a couple of things, I would just trade on the 4 hourly chart. But if I'm less busy, I would just, you know, trade on the 5 minutes to the 15 minutes candle. It doesn't really matter, you know, in the TA perspective. but it matters on your time. Like if you don't have time to watch it, you know, you should just go to the long time frame. But if you have time and if you're home and if you're watching it, you know, you can trade on the small time frame, make profit and exit.
Like, I agree. Literally, it's all about time. Like, got to be hands on. You've got to watch it. Like, times I've traded on a 5 minute, it's almost cost
Yeah,
me,
you
like,
have to watch it. The smart ones you do, because you know it takes 4 hours to close a candle in the 4-hour time frame, so you don't have to watch it. But the smart ones, especially 5 minutes to 1 minute, you have to to watch it.
I haven't tried 1 minute. I'm too scared to try 1 minute. I haven't even done that one. I haven't attempted that one. I'm too scared to try that one. It's crazy. It's wild.
I mean, it's a little bit love emotions, but it depends. It depends on your, you know, your trading strategy, I would say. And if you have the heart to watch the 1 minute chart.
I've literally
All right,
been in
guys,
a
let's
5 minute
lock it
scalp
off here
now.
because
We'll lock it off.
we're doing the dojo call in half an hour. Yeah, guys, stay safe. We're trading and investing. Lock in every Sunday with me and BitBlonde. And if you want to get in the decentralized world, you need to get the dojo calls because I'm going to show you guys how me and Jay made $700 for free with WEN token. Do your own research, WEN. The only reason we got free is because we have loads of wallets, and then each wallet got 643,000 tokens. During the time of drop, that was $70. The token's gone up by $30. Now we got $100, and we got like 7 wallets. So that's why we was able to claim. So don't miss out on decentralized exchange. You need the on-chain activity. You need to get the swaps in. The robots, they know the good traders on chain.
Nice.
All right.
So yeah.
Take care, guys. See you in half an hour. Bye.